Welcome! Today we'll be showcasing how to use Norski Epoxy Doming Resin, the perfect way to create stunning professional finishes at home. From jewellery and crafts to custom artwork and tabletops, you can achieve a crystal clear, high gloss finish that makes your project really shine. As always, start by using the Norski measuring kit. It ensures safe, precise measurements every time. If this is your first time using the Doming Resin product, we recommend doing a small test first to get a feel for how the resin can be applied. Doming resin, like all epoxy products, is a two-part system. Mix 2 parts A with 1 part B. Pour them carefully into separate cups and then combine them in one mixing cup. Stir slowly, but thoroughly, scraping the sides of the base of the cup until the blend is completely clear. Take your time with this step. A proper mix is the key to a perfect finish. You'll see in this video, we're mixing the product into 3 different cups. Now for the creative part. Add any of the Norski pigments, dyes, or mica powders to bring colour and depth to your resin. Stir until evenly mixed. A little goes a long way with this. In this video, we've used Norski's mica powders in one of our cups for an amazing metallic coloured effect. Once coloured, carefully pour the resin onto your project. The self-leveling formula ensures a smooth, even coat. Any bubbles that rise to the surface can be quickly removed with a light pass of a blowtorch. Please don't get too close to the resin with the naked flame, as you can burn it. Now that all your resin and colours are applied to your surface, simply leave your piece to cure undisturbed for 24 hours. The result is a crystal clear, durable, glossy finish that highlights your creativity. Available in a range of sizes to suit any project. Want to give this a go? Just ask in the paint department at your local Mica or Bunnings. They're happy to help you get started. Norski, proudly made in New Zealand.